Sounds great.
Oh man, they're beautiful.
Now, what's the name of this cathedral again? The name of the cathedral?
Cathedral St. Peter. Now here's the little one. The Apostle, St. Peter the Apostle. This bell's named after the parish.
Okay, I'm recording this, so tell me the other names.
The other one is St. Joseph.
St. Joseph
It's
bell
the
over
bell.
here, and this is the Immaculate Mother, is that right? Or Immaculate Mary?
Mary, Mother of God.
All right.
By McNeely.
And how many feet up off the ground are we right now?
Right now you're about 85 feet.
85 feet?
You're halfway up.
Halfway up.
Roughly.